hit the shop right now and go see what part I need to get tuned, because once I get this part in, you already know what's up. Alright, you guys. So, sway bar link end is in. Gonna get this in the car very soon for you guys. And once that's done, the car's getting aligned and then finally tuned. So just stay tuned for everything, you guys. Thank you for following along the journey for the tuning process. All right, y'all, so we just beat a E36 M3. We had a good run, but I missed the run. So here it is right here. It's an OEM Nissan part. Got the right sway bar link right here. And just for you guys that don't know, this was actually a part that's been broken since I bought the car, apparently. I just haven't gotten around to fixing it yet. So other than this, that's the only thing really broken on the car as of now, besides the passenger seat switch and what else? Let me think. Oh, the passenger airbag as well. I believe there's something wrong with that, so we'll have to look into that. And let's hear these things, man. Wait, man, you suck. Gotta go to the sound of the woods. That's the sound of the woods. Where the boys get drunk and the ladies get loud. Alright, let's hear the song. Fire pop and the minutes get loud. That's the sound of the woods. That's the sound of the woods. I got my middle finger up. Music on the charts and they in the comments. What's up, man?
Yo, my just played me bad.
Way to the shop right now, going to get the sway bar and link in, and next up is alignment and then tune. All right, so you can see where it snapped right here, so we're just replacing this link. This will be back together. That's it.
You can figure exhaust sometime?
Yeah, I plan on getting like a toe mat or a motor down. We'll see. I think I'm just gonna tune this one first. See how it runs.
Yeah.
Guys, so sway bar link is in. Oh, looks nice, fresh. I was gonna replace this side, but I said, why replace it when it's not broken, right? So due to this frame right here, we're pretty maxed out on the front coils, but we're going a little bit lower in the rear. We're gonna start with a 1/4 and then probably go an inch, and then I don't know if an inch is not enough, we'll see. But we got a lot of room, this wheel well here, to work with. All right, guys, so we're gonna end this one here for you. It's a nice day out here. Look forward to the next video of the G getting tuned. We gotta do a couple things first, alignment, and just make sure everything's good. Other than that, the car's running great. But keep sharing, keep liking. Get at you soon when she's tuned.